your subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your iMessage. So if you have iMessage activation error on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. If you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on your mobile data. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try another way. So just find here messages, turn off iMessage and turn on again and wait until it will reactivate your iMessage. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just check your updates for your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.